It's terrible. Smells good. Oh, what a blessing. All right, welcome back to the channel. I've been pressure washing the driveway, and then my package showed up with a Amazon special fuel pump. I'm gonna give it a shot. I've got some things to do out here. I did a little work without filming. Let me walk you around. You can take a look at it. By the way, I'm using a directional microphone from GoPro, so whenever I turn this camera around, my voice will go down. All right, here we go. Driver's side. Fenders all disconnected. That took a day and a half, it felt like. And passenger side, she is completely disassembled. Everything's still functioning. I've got all my electrical just to connect to the battery, and I'll have to figure out how to do a battery box when I do this whole conversion. The only speck of any rust, it's not even rust, it's just paint that's delaminated. There's a little bit of surface rust. It's right here under the battery. That's it, the whole chassis. I regret that I did a hack job right here, but I snipped all my wires, so hopefully that won't be a problem. I'm about to fire this fuel pump up. I had an issue. This fuel pump, electric fuel pump, China. It came in with different connectors on it, and it clearly, you know, it is what it is. But that's what we're working with. Let's see, I'm trying to, now I regret not putting lights over here yet. I'm getting there. I hadn't made any money off this channel yet, so I'll get the lights when I start bringing in a little extra money. Trying not to get all willy-nilly out here. All right, I got the fuel pump, or I'm sorry, the fuel tank out. And it was a fight and a half to get this filler tube out. And then it's full of gas. It's varnished. I've mixed in about 3 to 4 gallons of fresh gas just to try to give it a fighting chance. A lot of my lines for the return and the evap system, which just hold vapor, have kind of left town when I started pulling on them. That's okay. When I get this body off, we will change all that and refresh it. I mean, you can see how dry rotted these tires are. It's just terrible. But I've run into an issue because I had this tank on that cart, a little overloaded, I know. My brother bought me that cart, it's been great. But I couldn't get with the transmission jack, I couldn't get it low enough to get under the car because I've got this Jeep hardtop up here. And I just completely forgot. I went knee deep in this project, and that's been hanging up there, and I'm trying not to damage it. It's hitting the trunk, so we'll deal with that another day. Yeah, we're about to dive right into this. I've got to get this tank up in here. This is the situation I'm in right now. The other problem I have, besides 1,000 spider eggs in here, is I believe this plug may be in a different order on the electrical, if that makes sense. The pins may not be correct, so we'll see. Hey, let's check out this VIN tag on the axle. It looks like it says, oh, I don't know. Probably, it says 73. It ain't no way it's a 373. I mean, it's a Mercury. It might be one of the options. I could be wrong. I've been wrong before. All right, on other news, this tank is really fresh on the inside. Let's get it up. I'm gonna put you on time lapse. I know everybody loves a time lapse. If you don't, you will learn to by the end of my YouTube channel. So, it's terrible. All right, let me get it in there. tank is needing to go straight up. It is canted just a hair. It's enough of a hair to cause a problem. And now the tank is caught on the upper suspension hardware mounts. So I got to go back up, shift it out, and then get in there. Let me show you what I'm talking about. She's at a specific angle of the dangle. Got Jeremy Camp stuck in my head. He knows. He knows. Every burden, something, something. Let me down easy. All right, this is what I bought this for. Ease up that front. Ease that up. Come down a hair. Go in. Now I should be able to take her on up. Well, I need this to go back. All right, I'm just going to have to roll on the floor to evaluate this situation. Right up there. Right there. She is on the thread, but not around the thread. I think it's this right here. It's just not enough meat on the bone. I can't get the tank to push up. Think it's expanding? Woo, it's a bad angle. All right, much better. GoPro's getting hot, so am I. Let me get up out of here. Jesus is Lord. If you own a JK, come get this out of my garage. $50 though, come on now. Not everything in life is free. It's a fact. Not even your marriage. It's quite frankly the most expensive relationship you can be in. But it's worth it. And if you can't see that, I can't get a thread on there. That's exactly what it's doing. Alright, so keys in it. I'm gonna fire it up. This is real time. This is gonna be like the first actual cranking of the car that's not more than 30, less than 30 seconds. This is with the fuel pump. We're gonna see if we can get it to prime and go from there. It's truly the first time it's ran in about 8 to 10 years. I got the AC on. I would imagine the Freon's out. Getting ice cold. Woo! Ice cold. God, this AC is cold. So thankful.